Hello students, I am Rafiqul Islam, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Morning Shift, Razuk Uttara Model College. I think you all are hale and hearty. Today I would like to teach you article. This lecture is designed for the students of class 7 and 8. Okay, let's go to the topic article. There are three articles in English language, A and D. These articles are classified into two kinds. Number one, indefinite article, example A and. Number two, definite article, example D. Indefinite articles. Indefinite articles indicate indefinite persons, animals and objects. As an example, I saw a man lying on the floor. Here, man is totally indefinite to us. So, indefinite article A is used before it. Second example, I gave her an apple. Here, apple also indefinite to us. What type of apple, what's its color, we don't know. So, indefinite article N is used before it. The third example, the naughty boy killed a rat. Here rat also indefinite to us, so indefinite article is used before it. Remember a note, indefinite articles are always used before countable nouns. Rules of indefinite articles, or you can say the use of indefinite articles. Number one rule. Normally, A is used before consonant. Example, I saw a cat running on the floor. Here, A is used before consonant C. Cat, it begins with the letter consonant C. Second example, we couldn't get a table in the restaurant. Rule 2. Normally N is used before vowel A, E, I, O, U. As an example, an umbrella is needed in the rainy season. Here umbrella, this noun begins with vowel, with the letter vowel U. So N is used before it. Second example, he takes an orange after his meal. Here orange, this noun begins with the vowel O. So before it N is used. Rule 3. When a consonant is pronounced like a vowel sound N, I like to repeat it. When a consonant is pronounced like a vowel sound, N is used before it. As an example, everybody respects an honest man. Here honest, this word when a consonant is pronounced like a vowel sound, N is used before it. As an example, everybody respects an honest man. Here adjective honest begins with the letter consonant H, but its pronunciation is just like vowel O, so N is used before it. Second example, it will take an hour to go there. Here the word hour begins with the consonant H, but its pronunciation is just like the vowel A, hour, so N is used before it. Same as my uncle is an MA. Here my uncle is a MA degree holder. This M is a consonant, but its pronunciation begins with the vowel sound A. So before it article N is used. If E is pronounced like U, then A is used before it. This is a traditional rule. As an example, a European. Or we can say it in another way. If E is pronounced like the consonant Y, whose real pronunciation is Ia, and its phonetically diverted pronunciation Io, then A is used before it. As an example, a European, a unique picture, etc. Here E is consonant, but its pronunciation is like this U, so A is used before it. Next rule, if O is pronounced like the consonant W, whose pronunciation is Wa, then A is used before it. As an example, I saw a one-eyed man. Here one begins with the vowel O, but its pronunciation is just like consonant W, Wa. So article A is used before it. Next rule, before some phrases A or N is used. As an example, in a body, to take an interest. Here before a body A is used, before interest N is used. Another rule, if so or to is used before adjective, A or N is used then after adjective. As an example, iron is a useful metal. Here useful is adjective, before it so is used, so after it A is used. Next example, monkey is so clever an animal. Here clever is adjective, before it so is used, so according to grammatical rule of article, N is used after clever. Next rule, generally article is not used before proper noun. If anybody is compared with another one who wears special quality or dignity, then article is used before him. As an example, you are a Shakespeare, I see. Only an Alexander can save our nation. Here, second person you is compared with Shakespeare. Shakespeare is a very dignified person, writer, poet. So article A is used before it, but Shakespeare is proper noun. In second example, Alexander is also proper noun, but an article is used before it according to the previous rule. Next rule, if exclamatory sentence begins with what, article A or N is used after what or before adjective. As an example, what a nice man he is. Here before this adjective nice, A is used. Another rule, if any writer's literary creation is denoted by the name or by his name or her name, indefinite article is used before it. As an example, Rafi is reading a Rowling. Here you know Rowling means J.K. Rowling, the writer of Harry Potter. So this Rowling means Rowling's creation. For this, A is used before Rowling. Now definite article. Definite article indicates definite persons, animals and objects. As an example, I have a notebook. The book was gifted by my teacher. Here, notebook is definite because it is gifted by my teacher. Next example, the man is known to me. We have a pet dog. The dog always opens my door by pushing. Here, dog is definite because it's our pet dog. So, definite article the is used before it. Another note to remember, definite article may be used before countable and uncountable noun. Next rule, the is used before date or month also. Example, the 16th December is our victory day. the 26th March is our Independence Day. Next rule, generally the is used before superlative degree. As an example, he is the best boy in the class. She is the prettiest girl in this village. Here best and prettiest both are superlative degree, so definite article the is used before them. Next rule of article, of definite article, to express comparison between two, the is used before comparative degree. As an example, she is the better of the two daughters. Another rule, to indicate profession, definite article the is used before it. As an example, my cousin joined the army, my uncle joined the bar. Here army is the name of a profession, bar is the name of another profession that is related to law. Next rule, generally the is not used before material noun, but to specify the definite material noun, the is used before it. As an example, we drink water. Here water is material noun, so article, zero article or cross is used before it. Second example, the water of this pond is very clear. Here water is definite because we have mentioned the water of this pond. So definite article the is used before it. Next rule, the is used before rivers, canals, the is used before rivers, oceans, seas, group of islands or group of mountains, etc. As an example, the Himalayas, the Pacific, the Bay of Bengal, the Andamans. Here the Andamans are group of islands, the Himalayas are group of mountains, etc. So definite article the is used before it or before them. Next rule, to indicate all the same type, the is used before singular common noun. As an example, the horse is a faithful animal. Here horse means it indicates all the horse of the world. So definite article the is used before it. Same as the sunflower is cultivated in our country. Next rule, the is used before religious or sacred books. As an example, we can say the Holy Quran, the Bible, etc. Next rule, the is used before the object which is only one in the world. As an example, the sun, the moon, the earth, etc. Another rule of definite article, before the descriptive, meaningful and geographical name, the is used before it or these words such as the Punjab, the USA, etc. Another rule of definite article, to express adequacy, the is used before comparative degree. As an example, the more you read, the more you learn, or the more you will learn. Next example, the sooner, the better. So both of the examples here, just to express adequacy, the is used before more and before sooner or better. Next rule, normally indefinite article may be used before musical instruments, but when it is played, the is used before it. As an example, Nafiz has a piano. Here indefinite article piano is used before, Nafiz has a piano. Here indefinite article a is used before this noun piano. But in the second example, he plays the piano. Here piano is active, Nafiz is playing, so the is used before this piano. Another rule of definite article, before the name of famous book, epic, the is used. As an example, I have read the Odyssey of Homer. Odyssey is the creation of Homer. Here, Odyssey means the epic of Homer. So, definite article the is used before Odyssey, same as the Macbeth. It's a famous book, so the is used before it. Next rule, before the name of the famous family, the is used before it. As an example, the Khans, the Jacksons, etc. Next rule of definite article, the is used before specific physical organs. As an example, Hassan hurt his friend on the nose. So nose is physical organ. It is specifically mentioned, so the is used before it. The same as his mom, Hassan's mom, pulled him by the ear for his naughtiness. Here ear specifically mentioned, so the is used before it. Next rule of definite article, the is commonly used before the name of a nation or race. As an example, the English, the Chakma. Next rule, the is used before famous ship, hotel and museum. As an example, the Titanic sank on her first voyage. The British Museum has a rich collection of antiques. The Pan Pacific Sonarga is a multinational hotel. Here Titanic, British Museum, Pan Pacific, all are very famous, so definite article the is used before these three words. Next rule of definite article, the is used before train, aeroplane and famous palace. As an example, the Paravata Express went to Sylhet yesterday. The Boeing 707 is a luxurious plane. The Taj Mahal is very famous to us. Next rule of definite article, the is commonly used before the names of daily newspapers. As an example, the Times of India, the Telegraph, etc. Next rule, the is used before collective nouns such as majority, police, public, etc. As an example, the majority are on my side. Next example, the public are very conscious nowadays. So here majority and public both are collective noun. So definite article the is used before them. The is used before some collective nouns, the elite, the audience. Next rule, to address two or more than two unmarried women in a letter, the is used before them. As an example, the Mrs. Chaudhry, the Mrs. Khan. The is used before some collective nouns, the elite, the audience. Here elite and audience, both these words are collective noun, so the is used before these two words. Next rule, to address two or more than two unmarried women in a letter, the is used before them. As an example, the Mrs. Chaudhry, the Mrs. Khan. Another rule, normally the is not used before road, avenue, park, but when the word road is added to the name, the is used before it. As an example, my friend bought a shop on the Northbrook Road. Here road is mentioned with Northbrook, so the is used before it. Now I would like to discuss another type of rules, that is omission of articles, where article will be cancelled or will not be used. Rule 1, the is usually used before radio, not television. As an example, I heard the news on the radio. I watched the match on dash television. Here before radio, the is used. Before television, zero article or cross is used. Second rule of omission of article, the is not used before proper noun. He lives in dash Dhaka. Here zero article is used. The is normally not used before diseases, but some diseases take article before them. As an example, he is suffering from malaria. Here malaria, before it zero article is used. Another example, my grandmother is suffering from the gout. This is goat. Before goat, the is used. So the same as the measles, the mumps. I want to say goat, measles, mumps. These three articles, these three words, these three diseases take definite article before them. Next rule, the is not used normally before month or day. As an example, he came to see me in dash March 2019. Here March is the name of month, so zero article or cross is used here. Another example, our holiday is dash Friday, so before Friday zero article is used here, so cross. Next rule, before the name of any game, the is not used. As an example, he plays dash football. Here article will be zero article, so cross is used here. Dear students, I have tried to share my idea about article with you. There are many rules of articles. You have got some important rules from my lecture. I think you will be benefited for the further practice on article knowing these rules. That's all. Thank you very much.